Hey everyone, it's your boy MQKCV in the house. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get through Avacoin coin packs in Avakin Life. So what this means is I'm going to give you a method in how you can claim free Avacoin coin packs for absolutely free. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video, but before I begin, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me show you what exactly I mean. So as you know, in Avakin Life you get Avacoin coin packs. So Avacoin coin packs are these things here. So there's an offer right now on this movie star offer, and you can get that dress and you can get that suit. Okay, so as you can see, there's tons of different ways you can get Avacoins in coin packs. Okay, for me personally, the coin packs which I love the most are the ones which give free items. So coin packs such as the hero offer, if you purchase it for £13.99 or £14, you get 19,000 Avacoins, but you also get an animation set with it. And then as you look at the coin pack next to it, it only gives you 16,000 Avacoins. So it's a really good offer, if I say so myself, and you get free stuff with it as well. However, what I mean is, if you wanted to purchase these, you would have to use real money, like actual real money, either a credit card, a gift card, something like that. However, I'm going to show you how to get these for absolutely free. You do not need to spend a single money. You can get it for free, and you don't need to do anything other than that. But there is one small little thing you need to know is, in no way is this video a glitch, a mod, a hack, or anything like that. Alright, in no way am I gonna advertise that. What I am gonna advertise is how you can find a method to get this stuff for free. So let me show you what that method essentially is, and let me show you how you can get some free Avacoins, because you know what, boy, we're gonna be rolling in Avacoins soon. Like, every one of y'all are gonna be, you know, after this video, I don't want to hear nobody complaining that anybody's poor. I tell you that right now. After this video, y'all better be saying MQKTV is the freaking best. I tell you that right now. Okay, so let me show you how to do it now.
And get free resources. If you want to know how I did it, watch this video to the end. So firstly, you need to go to the website. And all we have to do is type our username. Okay, now we need to type how much resources we want to get and click generate button. All you have to do is install two apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install to make sure you're a human and not a bot. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure I follow the instructions that were on this app, because each app might have different instructions, so it's important that you read the instructions carefully. Alright, so once we complete human verification, we can go back to our home screen and run the game.
One eternity later.
Now I see hack process is complete, so hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you later.